Hello everyone. As promised, let's discuss the first 5 ways to improve our public speaking skills. Firstly, try to know your audience. Understand who you are speaking to and their interests, knowledge level, and expectations. Tailor your content and approach accordingly. Practice. Rehearse your speech multiple times to become more familiar with the material and improve your delivery. Practice in front of a mirror, record yourself, or use a trusted friend or feedback. Organize your content. Structure your speech with a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. Use a logical flow to make it easy for your audience to follow your message. Use visual aids effectively. If using slides or props, ensure they enhance your messages rather than distract from it. Keep visuals simple and uncluttered. Manage your time. Be mindful of the allocated time for your speech. Practice your pacing to avoid rushing or dragging on. If necessary, have a timer to keep you on track. That's all for today. See you again with the next 5 tips to improve your public speaking. Thank you.